Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the cTrader with the cTrader and what are the things that you need to know. Now the one thing I'm going to sounds really strange right now, but what I encourage you to do is to trust your own intuition. In a way, what I encourage you to do is that you want to look on the cTrader, how it looks, then also look on the cTrader and which one you like more. You can try demo of course for the cTrader right here and see which one you prefer more based on your look, because if you feel even if you're going to show you the best benefits and you don't feel it's right, then you shouldn't use it in a way. So they both offer a server license and white label solutions. Then also the cTrader got fixed fee for 1,000 active accounts, including CRM, crypto payment gateway, and social trading. On the other hand, with the cTrader, you have minimum monthly volume fee of 2,000 and 5,000 setup fee. So then you're gonna have also the app availability. So cTrader got the PVA technology for web, desktop, mobile, and the cTrader that got native mobile apps and web platforms with HTML5. So they are both user friendly, and it really depends on your preference what you're looking for. So that's like another thing. And then pretty much it, right? So I just encourage you to listen to your own intuition, what you like more, and test out the demo, which one you feel is right for you, and that's it. So have a great day and goodbye.